Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. Y'all, I'm about to make chicken Alfredo garlic bread that I've been seeing on TikTok and other places or whatever. But y'all know that I gotta do it quick, easy, simple, okay? So I got some pre-made ingredients. I ain't doing nothing from scratch, nothing, okay? So let me show y'all what I have. All right, I got a couple of loaves of the French bread, okay? And this is a quick, easy meal, you know, during the week or what have you. Put a salad with it and bam, you're good to go. Feed them kids, feed your husband, your wife, or spouse, whatever, okay? We got the chicken. What I tell y'all, ball it on the budget. Chicken breast strips already cut up and all that, because I'm not gonna cook chicken breast and cut it up and all that kind of stuff. Boom, there we go. All right, Alfredo sauce already made in the jar. It's okay to use it. It's okay. If you want to make it from scratch, do it. But I'm not, because we're doing it quick and simple over here. Okay? And then my cheese. I have Parmesan cheese and I have mozzarella cheese. Alright? Let me get that out the refrigerator. Okay? And then you can use whatever seasoning you like. Okay? To season your chicken up. And then top it with some parsley flakes or some Italian seasoning or whatever. But it's going to be easy, y'all. So come on. Let's make it. Alright, let's get started. Okay, y'all, I did put a little drizzle of oil in my pan so that my seasonings don't stick while I'm cooking the chicken. And so that dog is over there just whining, y'all. I don't know what's wrong with him. I guess he said ain't nobody talking to him, playing with him. So if y'all hear him in the video, please excuse it. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump my chicken into my pan and I'm gonna get ready to season it up. Okay, I don't want to be before y'all long, so while that's getting hot, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my French bread in half. All right, you know what I forgot to tell y'all, you gotta have garlic butter for this. Duh, I'm sorry I missed that, y'all. Let me get the garlic butter. Hold on. Now listen, if you want to make your own garlic butter, make it. We're using Land O'Lakes today. I just lined this with some parchment paper and I'm gonna, you know, do it on here. I don't know, y'all know I like to do it. Alright, so we're just gonna cut this right in half, y'all. And my hands are clean, okay? So yes, I'm touching everything because I don't wear gloves in my kitchen, in my house. Because I'm cooking for my family. So, okay. So we got this in half. Boom. Boom. It's already easy peasy. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Okay. Now, I think this is hot, so let's go ahead and drop our chicken. Again, use whatever seasoning you want, y'all. I got garlic powder, roasted garlic, okay? Onion powder, honey saturine. A bit of Italian seasoning, sprinkle. We're just gonna go ahead and brown it on up a little bit. I think I might want to put a little something else on here to kick it up. So I'm gonna do a little kicking chicken, okay? Not a whole lot, because my daddy is here and he doesn't do a whole lot of spice, so just a little bit. Quick and simple, y'all. That's what we're going for. Quick and simple. Okay, so it doesn't take long for this because this is already done. So I just wanted to season it and heat it up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, turn the burner off on that, and we're going to move on the bread. Okay? So come on over here to the bread, y'all. Alright. So we're going to get this open. And you see all the nice little minced garlic and herbs in it. I'm going to just take a little butter knife and we're going to lather that girl on up. Okay, a little bit more on there. Hey, baby. My baby just came in here. Oh, okay. She don't want to talk. You could say hi. Thank you, sweetheart. So after we get this lathered on up, all right, that looks good. We're gonna add on our Alfredo sauce. Now be as generous as you want to be, okay? Because it's your bread. You make it how you like it. I want mine saucy, okay? So I'm making how we like it. I'm gonna just go on and even it on out across there like that. I know this is gonna be good, y'all. Ooh, I mean, this is hot, and I'm trying to do it with my hands, y'all. It's hot, hot. Ooh, ooh. My oven is not even on. Child, rookie mistake. I ain't even got it preheating. But I'm gonna preheat it to 375. There we go. Y'all, I just got in and I'm trying to make something fast for the family. So this with a salad is what we're gonna do. And yes, I'm trying to fit all this chicken on this bread. Okay. That look good. What y'all think? That look good, huh? We gotta make sure chicken everywhere. Because we want chicken every bite. You know what I'm saying? Every bite. Every bite. Okay. So, there we go. Now we finna get to adding in these cheeses, y'all. I'm gonna start with this mozzarella. I probably should have got a little longer pan, shouldn't I, y'all? I know y'all saying, why is she trying to do it on that little pan? Because this is what I had took out. And I was trying to stick with it. It do need a little longer one, though. But we're going to go with it. Because I already got it out. Okay. I'm going to add. Now, see me? The way I do stuff. I'm going to add a little bit more of the Alfredo sauce. We're going to just sprinkle a little bit more. Just because we want to. And then, if you don't want to, don't do nothing on yours. But I'm going to tell y'all, this is how it's going to be good, okay? Okay. See, just another little drizzle on the top. Now, we're going to put some Parmesan on there. Because you got to have you some Parmesan on it too. And then, last but not least, we're going to throw some parsley on top to make it cute. Because y'all know parsley don't taste like nothing. Okay? And if you say it got to taste, you lying. It don't taste like nothing. Okay. Some parsley on there. To make it cute. Girl, how much parsley you think you need? I done pulled out too much. Hold on. There we go. You can use fresh parsley if you want to. I don't have none, so I'm using this whole dried stuff. And then we're gonna do some little Italian seasoning too. Put that on up there. Put that on up there too. Little Italian. Italiano. Okay. That's it. It's gonna go in the oven. We'll be back when it's done, y'all.
Grab this one right here in the middle.
Okay.
Check it out.
Y'all, I am hot. You want a piece, baby?
I'll take a bite for you.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted it crispy. I didn't want it soft. I wanted it crispy.
Good crunch.
Need pep towel.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let me get a little bit piece and taste it.
The crunch is great. This is like Alfredo?
It's chicken Alfredo garlic
Almost
bread.
like a little pizza almost.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Amen.
You dropped it, wasting.
Fumbling.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try it now.
Hot pumpkin.
Oh.
It's great. It is great.
What do you think? Baby, I almost overseasoned that chicken, y'all.
Y'all gotta make it. It's great. Peace.
But that's it, y'all.
Next time.
Something quick, simple, and easy. We finna make a salad, and it's dinner. All right, until the next video. We love y'all big. Bye.
Peace.